Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Loom Video Recorder. You can use Loom to record quick videos on your screen and cam. Explain anything clearly and easily and skip the meeting. Let's dive in. I'll not only show you the ropes of using Loom, but also deep dive into practical applications. Loom is a remarkable tool that simplifies video recording and sharing online. With just a few clicks, you can create videos of up to 50 minutes long and instantly share them using a unique URL. No downloads or uploads necessary, making the process of disseminating information incredibly seamless. Loom is super important. It's not only a testament to the ease of use, but also the effectiveness of Loom in facilitating efficient communication. The best part is you can start Loom for free. I'm using the free plan, and you can unlock the ability to create videos longer than 5 minutes after that. And you can sign up with the link provided below. When you log into Loom, you'll be greeted by the Loom library. This is where all your recorded videos are automatically stored. The key to maximizing Loom's potential lies in installing the Loom Chrome extension. This extension simplifies the process of recording videos and offers convenient features to enhance your user experience. This extension allows you to initiate with a single click. You can select from various recording options, including screen and camera, screen only, and camera only modes. For most scenarios, screen only recording suffices. It's an excellent choice for creating tutorials, presentations, and explanations. After a short countdown, your recording session commences, and seamlessly you can switch between recording modes during the video, depending on your requirements. Once your recording is complete, Loom promptly generates a unique URL. This URL is all you need to share your video with others. It's a straightforward and hassle-free method to distribute videos to team members, friends, or clients, avoiding the inconveniences of large file transfers. One useful practice is to adopt a consistent naming convention for your videos. Employ relevant keywords to label your videos, making them easy to organize and retrieve from your library. This simple organizational strategy can save you valuable time when searching for specific content. Moreover, Loom offers a valuable feature that allows you to trim your videos directly within the platform. No need to download, edit, or re-upload. You can effortlessly cut out mistakes or extraneous sections, resulting in a more polished final product. Now, let's delve into the practical applications of Loom. In an era where remote work and virtual teams are becoming increasingly common, Loom shines as a collaborative tool. Beyond its obvious utility for remote work, Loom enables distributed teams to collaborate effectively. For instance, during brainstorming sessions, team members can record their ideas, feedback, and insights into Loom videos, creating a dynamic repository of creative exchanges. It's not just about sharing knowledge, but also about fostering a sense of unity among team members spread across the globe. Project management tools are essential for streamlining workflows and ensuring tasks are executed efficiently. Loom can integrate these tools, enhancing your team's ability to communicate project updates and priorities. You can see Loom is far more than just a video recording tool. It's a versatile communication platform that can transform your business operations. From internal collaborations to client interactions and outreach, Loom offers a seamless, engaging, and efficient way to get things done. Rather than relying on extensive meetings, you can rely on Loom videos with your clients to provide communication channels. This approach allows you to quickly address questions, provide solutions, and maintain open and effective communication with your clients. It's time-saving and super efficient to ensure clients get the answers they need without the need of lengthy meetings. A hiring process can significantly get streamlined by incorporating Loom videos. You can ask applicants to submit a brief video ranging from 2 to 5 minutes, explaining why they are a good fit for the position. And the approach also serves a dual purpose. It helps us evaluate the candidate's familiarity with Loom. Furthermore, it allows us to access their communication skills, confidence, and culture fit. If someone can't figure out how to use Loom for this, it's probably a sign that they're not a good fit for a company that uses technology. It's vital to remain adaptable and responsive to evolving trends and technologies, and Loom certainly falls into that category. The way we communicate and share information is changing, and Loom has proven itself as a valuable ally in staying ahead of the curve. It's a bridge to more efficient, effective, and engaging communication. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit our affiliate links, and hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for more videos. Make sure to leave any questions in the comments. We'll be reading them, and take care.